Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer insurance with travelers, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your insurance policy with travelers, first, gather all necessary documents related to your existing policy. Log in to your traveler's account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, create one by providing the required information. Once logged in, navigate to the Policies section of your dashboard. Locate the policy you wish to transfer and click on it for more details. Review the terms and conditions to ensure you are eligible for a transfer. Identify the specific coverage types you want to keep or modify during the transfer process. Next, contact Travelers Customer Service for assistance. You can reach them via phone or through the live chat feature on their website. Provide them with the necessary details about your existing policy and your request to transfer it. They will guide you through the required steps and any documentation you need to submit. Ensure you have your new policy information ready, including any changes to coverage or personal details. Once the transfer request is initiated, you will receive confirmation via email or your account dashboard. Monitor your account for updates on the status of your transfer. Upon successful transfer, review your new policy to ensure all details are correct. If you have any questions or notice discrepancies, contact customer service again for clarification. Finally, keep a record of your new policy documents and any correspondence related to the transfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.